Welcome back now. You're about to drop 415 feet way up in the sky at a speed of 90 miles an hour. Sit back, relax. Try not to cry. 3 buttons in the draw. Goodbye. Unbuckle your seatbelt, unbuckle, look down and unbuckle your seatbelt. When the ride comes to you, please stop, please make your way to the exits behind you. Don't forget to check out other cool rides such as teacups and or slingshot.